Hello students, welcome to our lecture. Standard 8, chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. Okay, this chapter is related to standard 7 simple equations. Okay, this is extended form. Okay, next for some are equations of x plus 6 is equal to 10. Suppose we take an example x plus 6 is equal to 10, in which this is your equality symbol. Okay, and from this equal symbol, these are left hand side and these are right hand side. Okay, before putting this symbol equality, the left hand side and right hand side should have equal, so we can put them in between equal symbol. Left side quantity and right side quantity will be same. Next one, x is your variable. What is the meaning of variable? Variable are some alphabetic x, y, z up to any alphabet. Okay, and these values differ from any example. And suppose in this example x is equal to 2, next example x is equal to 4, 6. Okay, variable means different types of values. So now alphabetic symbol is known as variable. Okay, these are numerical or constant term. Numerical or constant term. Okay, so now what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable? So first of all, we discuss about linear equation. So first of all, what is the meaning of linear equations? If the variable have highest power 1, if the variable have highest power 1, this type of equation is known as linear equation. Highest power 1 means x have nothing, means 1 has power. X has nothing power, but it means that it has 1 power. So this equation is known as linear equation. Suppose we take an example, x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 6. It also has variable, but the power is 2. Power is 2. But we have only for 1 power. Okay, so this is not your linear equations. Suppose y plus 8 is equal to 3. Y plus 8 is equal to 3. Here y has 1 power, so it is your linear equations. Okay, so now next for in one variable. So now if a equation has only for one variable, not more than, only for one variable, this is known as linear equations in one variable. Suppose this equation has only for one variable x, and in this equation variable only for y. So this type of equation is linear equations in one variable. So now full definition of these equations, linear equations in one variable, means the maximum power of variable is only for 1. So this is linear equation and it contains only for one variable. Okay, so now this is known as linear equations in one variable. So now suppose this example, x plus y plus 6 is equal to 8. It powers as 1, linear equation, but they have 2 variables. So this is not your one variable equations. This is 2 variable equations. Okay, so now this type of linear equation in one variable. This is your definition. And next for solving linear equation. So now how can we solve linear equation? Means solving means we finding x or any variable. Suppose plus symbol is converted into minus, minus symbol is converted into plus, multiplication symbol is converted into division and division symbol is converted into multiplication. If you moved a variable or any constant left side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, the symbols are changed. Plus symbol will be converted to minus, minus symbol is converted to plus, multiplication have division and division have converted into multiplication. Suppose we take an example, y plus 6 is equal to 9. So these are plus symbol and we move plus 6 and right hand side. So plus symbol will be converted into plus 6 is converted into minus 6. So y is equal to 3. Okay. These are the solving example and we already discussed in standard 7. Okay. So now these are the concepts for exercise 2.1.